Good evening to everybody. From the last videos, there I solved the question. So many students asked their problems. Today I will solve their problems. There is the one problem is from the chapter 5 2a. Question number 3 is there. Each of A and B both opened recurring. This is the 3 is here. Each of A and B both opened RD accounts in the bank. If A deposits rupees 1200 per month for 3 years and B deposits 1500 rupees per month for 2.5 years, and find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. So first of all we will find the for A. Installment per month is rupees 1200. Number of month is 3 into 12 is equal to 36, and rate of interest is same for the both one, 10% per annual. So you can find the maturity value from here. For the maturity value, formula is same as I told you. Principal into n plus 1 into n over 2 into 12 into r over 100. So put the value. Principal is 1200, 36 plus 1200, 36 into 37 over 2 into 12, 10 over 100. 12, 100, 100 and 2, 5. Multiply each one. This will be equal to 43,200 and this will be 6,600, 60 rupees. Add the both numbers. This will be rupees 49860. This is the maturity value of A. Now the same way for B is installment per month is rupees 1500 and time is 2.5 into 12 is equal to 30 month, and rate of interest is same 10% per annum. And use the same formula, then you will find the maturity value for the B is rupees 1508 and 1250. Then the difference between the both amount will be 952 rupees 50 paise is your answer. Mean B will get more money. Now here exercise 2B, the question number is 3. That the maturity value of a RD account is rupees 16,176. If the monthly installment is rupees 400, find the rate of interest rate. Find the time period of this RD account. Mean we have to find the time period. Here principal is rupees 400. Time we have to find, consider it n, rate of interest is 8%. Same formula you can use. Maturity value is equal to given us 16,176, and use the formula P 400 into n plus 400 into n plus 1 over 2 into 12 into 8 over 100. 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4 is equal to 1676 rupees. Then use it. It become 1200 n plus n square plus n. 4n square plus 4n is equal to 48528 is there. Then 4n square plus 12 4n minus 48528 is. Took the 4 common from here. N square plus 301 n minus 12132 is equal to 0. Its factor is n plus 337n minus 36n minus 12132 is equal to 0. It become n plus 337 and n minus 36 is equal to 0. So n will be equal to minus 337 and 36. Negative number will be cancelled. So mean time will be equal to 36 month, or you can say 3 year is your answer. From the same exercise there was a question 4. They asked here we have to find the installment per month. So same formula you can choose. If you are not able to solve, then ask me. Now from the exercise 5a, question number 3 is there. X minus 1 square plus x plus 2 square and plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So first of all, open all the squares. X square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 2x and then 2x 1 4 5 3 8 4 3 7 x is equal to 0. 2x square plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then solve the equation. This equation is a quadratic equation. We have to find. Given equation is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation. Now from the exercise 5b, question number is again 3. We have to find the value of the p when the quadratic equation have the equal roots. Equation is x square plus p minus 3x plus p is equal to 0. Mean discriminant is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. p minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0. p square plus 9 minus 6p minus 4p is equal to 0. p square minus 10p plus 9 is equal to 0. p square minus 9p minus p plus 9 is equal to 0. p minus 9 and p minus 1 is equal to p will be equal to 9 or 1 when the question having the same way. Here is the question number 4 is there. Again the root is equal roots. Equation is given as 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 5 is equal to 0. Then use the same way. Discriminant will be equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Minus 12 square minus 4 into 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. 144 minus 12n plus 60 is equal to 0. Then this will be 12n is equal to minus 204, n will be equal to 17 is your answer. If again there is any problem, you can send me on the WhatsApp or in the message box. On my number, person number is 9814033319.